Sometimes we want to give more details about what we do in our job. Let's take a look at some useful vocabulary. We can describe the main part of our job like this. I'm in charge of. My main responsibility is. I'm responsible for. Notice that we often follow these last two expressions with an ing form of a verb. We can use I head a department and I supervise a team to say that we are in charge of people. We can also say that I'm the head of with the name of the department or the main area of responsibility. I'm the head of recruitment. We use collaborate with or work with to show that we work in a team or at the same level. We use deal with and handle with words like problems, complaints, issues, inquiries. We use get to show that we have the opportunity to do something, usually something we enjoy. We can use have to show that something is necessary, often something we don't like. We can use don't have to when something we might not like is not necessary. Now read some examples of people giving more details about their work. What words do you think are missing? Then listen to see if you were right.
I head the sales department.
I'm in charge of accounts. I'm responsible for following up on payments.
My main responsibility is maintaining our computer systems. I deal with problems our staff have with computers. I have to come in on the weekends a lot, which isn't much fun.
I work mainly with our international partners. I get to travel a lot, especially over to Europe.
Again, what words do you think are missing in these examples? Then listen to see if you were right.
I'm responsible for preparing budgets, arranging meetings, preparing reports, things like that.
I work with the public a lot. I handle questions about people's accounts.
I supervise the payroll team.
I collaborate with different teams across the organization on all kinds of projects. I don't have to stay in the office all day, which is nice.
When we introduce ourselves to someone in a professional situation, we give our name and then follow up with where we work and job title, and maybe a little detail about what we do.
Nice to meet you. I'm Sue Lee. I'm a sales manager at Intertex. I'm responsible for our international contracts.
Hello, Jerry Robinson. I'm with Global Systems. I'm a senior project manager. I work mainly in our New York office, but I get to come to Seattle once or twice a year. So what do you do, Miss Lee?
I'm a product developer at Peacock Dreams. I'm responsible for designing our new summer fashion line.